Imagine a world where every asset, tangible or intangible, can be owned, traded, and transferred in a digital form. Welcome to the dawn of tokenization. This groundbreaking concept is not just a buzzword, it's a seismic shift that's redefining the financial landscape. Tokenization, you see, is the process of converting rights to an asset into a digital token on a blockchain. It's a revolution that's enhancing liquidity, efficiency, and accessibility in asset and debt management. Now, it's not just a handful of tech-savvy enthusiasts leading this charge. Large financial institutions, the likes of BlackRock, JP Morgan, and the World Bank, are at the forefront, harnessing the power of blockchain technology to tokenize a wide array of assets. It's a testament to the transformative power of this innovation. With the advent of JP Morgan's tokenized collateral network, a new era of financial management has begun. The tokenization of real-world assets is not just a technological innovation, it's a democratizing force. This transformative process, powered by blockchain technology, is opening doors to investment opportunities that were once firmly locked. Imagine owning a small piece of a Picasso painting or having a stake in a prime piece of real estate in Manhattan. Tokenization makes this possible. It allows for fractional ownership of assets, effectively reducing barriers to entry and inviting a wider pool of potential investors to partake in the global economy. But the democratic magic of tokenization isn't just limited to physical assets, it's also transforming the world of debt issuance. Bond tokenization, for instance, is revolutionizing the way debt is issued and traded. By representing bonds as digital tokens on a blockchain, we're able to enhance transparency and streamline trading. The process of buying, selling, and tracking bonds becomes as easy and as quick as sending an email. This is the true power of tokenization. It not only simplifies complex financial processes, but also democratizes them, making these opportunities accessible to anyone, anywhere. It's an innovation that is breaking down the walls of traditional finance and paving the way for a more inclusive and efficient economic system. Tokenization is indeed bridging the gap between traditional and modern investment opportunities. This is not just a future to be anticipated, but a reality that is already taking shape. The tokenization wave is here, and it's reshaping the financial landscape as we know it. The tokenization wave is not just shaking the financial world, but also the environment. Imagine a world where our natural resources, the lungs of our planet, are no longer under the threat of exploitation, but rather are preserved and cherished. This is the promise of natural capital tokenization. Through this innovative process, we can convert the rights to an asset, such as a slice of the Amazon rainforest or a stretch of the Great Barrier Reef, into a digital token on a blockchain. This token can then be traded, sold, or held as an investment. The beauty of this model is that it allows us to monetize the preservation of our environment, making it a viable economic rather than a burdensome cost. However, we must tread with caution. As promising as this technology is, there exists a potential for its misuse by powerful entities, leading to digital domination over nature rather than its preservation. It's a shift in perspective, a shift towards sustainability and responsibility, but one that must be navigated with thoughtful discretion. Tokenization could be the key to sustainable and responsible investment, but we must remain vigilant to ensure its ethical implementation. As the tokenization wave rolls in, major financial players are not just watching from the shores. They are plunging headfirst into the transformative currents of this financial revolution. One such player is Citi, a name synonymous with global finance, which has ventured forth into the tokenization domain through its innovative Citi token services. Citi's initiatives are primed to offer always-on programmable financial services. Imagine a world where financial transactions, hitherto bound by banking hours and manual processes, are now automated and available around the clock. This is the promise of Citi's tokenization efforts, reflecting an acute understanding of the growing demand for round-the-clock global liquidity management and automated trade finance solutions. Citi is not alone in this journey. Its fellow voyagers include the likes of BlackRock, JP Morgan, and the World Bank, each contributing their unique strengths to this transformative wave. Together, They are redefining the contours of the financial landscape, making it more efficient, inclusive, and adaptable. While this may seem like a brave new world, it is one that is being built on the solid foundations of traditional financial practices. The tokenization initiatives of these major players blend the old with the new, creating a synergy that enhances the legitimacy and operational efficiency of crypto assets. The tokenization trend is not just a fad for these financial giants, but a strategic move towards a more efficient and inclusive financial system. This is the dawn of a new era in finance, and these major players are leading the charge. The potential of tokenization is not just staggering, but transformative. We are on the brink of a monumental shift in the financial landscape. This isn't just about a new way to invest or manage assets. This is a revolution that touches every corner of the financial world, from the way we trade to the very concept of ownership. Imagine a world where private markets experience an 80-fold increase by the year 2030. A world where the integration of crypto into our financial system enhances the legitimacy and operational efficiency of crypto assets. This is not some far-off dream. This is the future of tokenization. As we look ahead, we can see the digital fingerprints of tokenization on every facet of finance. The assignment of international securities identification numbers to crypto tokens is a clear testament to the blending of traditional and modern financial practices. It's a sign that the world is ready to embrace the advantages of blockchain technology to make our financial systems more efficient, more transparent, and more accessible. The future of tokenization is a future where financial services are always on, where global liquidity management and automated trade finance solutions are the norm, not the exception. It's a future where the barriers to entry are lowered, where anyone, anywhere can participate in the global economy. This is a future where finance is more inclusive, where opportunities are democratized, and where innovation is not just welcomed but encouraged. It's a future where the preservation of our natural resources is not just an ideal, but an investable asset. It's a future where the financial sector is not just about making profit, but about making a difference. Tokenization is not just a passing trend, but a fundamental evolution in the financial sector, heralding a future where finance is more inclusive, efficient, and adaptable. This is the promise of tokenization, the promise of a new financial era. And it's a promise that a complete revolution of the old ways of traditional finance is well within our reach.